In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Pipedrive inbox in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll have your email connected and working inside Pipedrive so you can manage conversations alongside your deals and activities without switching tabs. First, you need to sync an email. Look to the top right of your Pipedrive screen and click your profile icon. From there, open Personal Preferences. On the left-hand side, select Email Sync. This is where you'll connect your email account to Pipedrive. Follow the prompts to authorize access so Pipedrive can securely sync your messages. If you see any permission requests from your email provider, approve them to complete the connection. Once you confirm, give it a moment to pull in your mailbox. The initial sync may take a bit depending on how many emails you have. When your sync is complete, move over to the left sidebar and choose Sales Inbox. This is your email inbox, now living inside Pipedrive. You'll see familiar folders and recent messages, just like you would in your regular email client, but with the added benefit of Pipedrive context. You can read, reply, and compose new emails right here, without leaving your workspace. Here's where it gets powerful. Because your inbox is inside Pipedrive, you can integrate emails directly into your workflow by linking them to deals and activities. That means important conversations won't live only in your email. They'll sit alongside the exact deal or task they relate to. For example, if a prospect replies with pricing questions, link that thread to the open deal so your team can see it and keep momentum. If an email requires a follow-up call, connect it to an activity so you have a clear next step with a due date. You can also start new conversations from the sales inbox using your Pipedrive contacts. Compose a message to a person or organization already in your database and keep everything centralized. Because the sync runs in the background, your messages stay up to date and your communication history remains tied to the right records. If anything looks out of date, give the page a quick refresh after the initial setup. And remember, the goal here is speed and clarity. Handle email where you sell, link messages to deals and activities, and keep your pipeline moving with less back and forth. And there you go. Your email is synced, your sales inbox is live, and your communications are now part of your Pipedrive workspace. That's all.